Hey, what's up, everyone? So, our topic for today is how to know your system information or BIOS or motherboard or processor. So, let's do it. First, go to WinKey R, press WinKey plus R, and then this one, type in msinfo32, hit OK, and there you go. So, as you can see, there is the device version date, OS name, system name is here also. Also, you can see your physical RAM and many more. So, and also here, your processor, of course, your processor. I know there is a motherboard here, so here's your baseboard. This is the motherboard. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.